You want a proper fix? Call me. You want to get your kicks? Call me. You want your J's fixed? Call me. Me have the remix? Call me. From the other day, it's like I play some boy I play. Me hear the girls calling, me hear the girls bawling, me hear the girls crying now. She said, beating, I wanna do the with the wickedest lamb. I need a 1, 2, 3, oh man. I wanna do the whole way time me to the fan. And thought that could handle this piece like a man. I wanna do the with the wickedest lamb. I need a 1, 2, 3, oh man. I wanna do the whole way to me in his fan. And thought that could handle this piece like a yeah. If you love it, all love it one
Hello,
time.
cuties. Welcome again to Winnie Styles. Do you really want to be on the safe side when it comes to your fresh, natural haircut? Then I will want you to please listen to my voice and watch this video to the end because you are in the right place. Okay? So I want you guys to really understand why we should stick to this classic, like when it comes to your Tapered, to your Pixies, the teeny Winnie Afros and Face and the rest of them, because those styles, they have really stood the test of time and they still work for various occasions. And one beautiful thing about those beautiful short haircuts is that they create that foundation for popular short natural styles, and they also delivers that precise shapes with that versatile styling options. So you can have a closer look at those beautiful timeless styles we have for you, because they are those styles that support shapes even without requiring full length styling. And don't forget, sometimes when you make the sides shorter and making the crown longer, it will give you that perfect style you want. So you can see how the style meticulously really graduated transitions from the ultra short size to that longer crown that will always give your haircut that architectural precision and artistic detailing. One thing about those styles is sometimes if you love those patterns, and those side parts and the rest of them, you can go from there, because sometimes it takes your hair to another level. Another beautiful thing about the styles today is that they are the styles that involves those thin, closely cropped afro strands, like for that extremely low maintenance and easy definition, because you can see how the coils are really very short, which always makes them a perfect starter style after a big chop that beautifully frames your face. So you can rock the style because you can see how it gives that maximum personalization, and how the longer the teeny weeny version is often mixed with that twist or coils that will always offer you that timeless style and celebrate your natural volume and texture. So with this in mind, I would like you guys to please watch this video to the end. If it's your first time here in Wendy Styles, please subscribe, hit the like button, hit notification bell, the notification bell to always be notified whenever we upload a new video. Let us know your mind in the comment section below. I definitely appreciate my returning subscribers and my new subscribers. Please stay locked to Wendy Styles for more beautiful short natural haircut coming your way in the next few hours. Bye for now.
This man don't trouble no one, but if you trouble this man, it will bring a bam bam. What a bam bam, what a bam bam, bam bam bila bam bam. Putting on my trust, bam bam. Girl, I'm in love with you. It's like I'm proving myself, and everything depends on you. Can't get my eyes off you. Girl, I'm in love with you, cause it ain't
'Cause now you be the one. Don't even think that I let you to suffer. 'Cause you are my angel, my lover. Listen. So it's you won't believe if you don't believe me. I will not deceive to not deceive me. Say my love go past the love you give me. If I fall your hand, I beg to leave. With you won't believe if you don't believe me. I will not deceive to not deceive me. Say my love go past the love you give me. If I fall your hand, I beg to leave me, baby. If you are my girl, I'll take you around the world. I'll take you places where you've never ever been before. So give me your hand, I'm giving you my heart. I promise I'll be loving you forever and ever, forever, forever. Say everybody don't say you're me, I know that. See, I never thought that I would find someone like you that would catch up my heart, and there's nothing I can do. Say I used to lie to myself that I'll always be a player, but since I set my eyes on you, you don't make me fall in love. Fall in love, fall in love. We supposed marry 'cause you don't make me fall in love.
If I die now, I go happy, say when I did this one, I don't fall in love. Which one you did? Well, you did treat me so.
I don't beg, I don't do everything, but you tell me say you need time and you know fit there with me. Now so I bad anywhere I just go. If you help me see it go, if you tell her I don't go, she no look me and so don't pang my let go. If you help me see it go, make you tell her I don't go, she no look me and so don't pang my let go. I know say you they hear my voice, 'cause this song ain't my right for you. I go find one place where I go hide my head, 'cause I won't start my whole life anew. If you help me see it go, make you tell her I don't go, she no love me and so. If you help me see it go, make you tell her I don't go, she no love me and so.